In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security over here. Then scroll all the way down to tap on Emergency SOS. Choose Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Emergency Contacts and click on the one you wish to add. Then after each one, select Cancel or OK in this pop-up to decide if you wish to let know this contact that it became your emergency one through a text message. To manage your contacts list, use this icon at the top right corner. Then to delete any of them, hit this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!